In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of the App Store. Whether you're switching accounts, troubleshooting an issue, or simply need to manage your device's settings, knowing how to do this is essential. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, making sure you understand everything you need to know along the way. First things first, grab your device and let's open up the Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen, represented by an icon that looks like gears or cogs. If you have a lot of apps installed and it's hard to find, you can swipe down from the middle of your home screen, which will bring up the search function. Simply type Settings, and it should pop right up for you to select. Once you've opened the Settings app, the next step is to tap your name at the very top of the screen. This area is where you can manage your Apple ID settings. It's a convenient spot to update personal information, manage your devices, and adjust security settings. Just tap your name to get into your account settings. As you enter this menu, you'll see a lot of different options related to your Apple ID. We're focusing on signing out today, so what you'll want to do is scroll down towards the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find the sign out option. Give it a tap when you find it. This will start the process of signing you out of your account, but there's a bit more to do before you're completely logged out. When you tap sign out, you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. This step is a security measure to ensure that only you or someone with your permission can log you out of your account. Go ahead and type in your password. If you've forgotten your password, there are links available to help guide you through resetting it. After entering the password, the last thing you'll need to do is confirm your choice. The device will ask if you're sure you want to sign out, as this process will log you out of several services, not just the App Store. This includes services like iCloud, iMessage, and more, so make sure you're prepared to sign back into these services if needed. Once you confirm, the sign out process will be complete. And there you have it, you've successfully signed out of the App Store. This process can be a helpful tool for managing your device, especially if you're sharing it with someone else or making changes to your account. I hope this guide has been clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.